Hello, welcome to my channel. This is the Wonder Media. In this lesson, I'm going to be teaching you how to create your YouTube channel. If you're wondering how will I create my YouTube channel, how does it work? What you need is your email, as your Google account. So once you have your Google account, all you just need to do is you come to your YouTube, you see a place where you can be able to you see the place that is showing sign out. You will see sign in. You understand? Once you click on it, you're going to see your Google account is going to show. If you have more than two, more than three, you cannot choose the one that you want to use as as your YouTube channel. So once it appears, what you will just do, you will so like now, if I want to switch now, like now, see add account. So now, are you seeing what is showing? Add account. So now you can decide to log into your Gmail account as a sign in your YouTube to continue to YouTube. So what you just do, you put your email. Once you put your email, you put next. Once you put next, it says you put password. You put your password. Now it's coming up. Now you are going to see it's coming up now. You can now you say welcome to YouTube Studio. You say continue. You can see how it is now. This is your dashboard. This is how you're going to see. If you have not uploaded anything, you're going to see it. You have not uploaded anything. So you you can start by editing your profile pictures, cover picture, anyone. You just click on it like now to show that okay, you upload or change your profile picture because now it's going to just be blank because I've not edited yet. So if you want to edit it, you can be able to click on it, and once people come to your channel, they will see all these things here. And people that want to upload their videos, you just see where you say create, you upload video or go live. You're going to see once you click on that upload, you can be able to upload your video. And many people want to know how to put a thumbnail, put end screen and some other things once you are uploading video, because these are what YouTube is going to look at when people come to your channel. This my channel is just a fresh channel, so I'm trying to show you guys and how you can do it. Like if you have a video where you want people to see first, then once they come to your channel, you click on this place. You can select any of your videos that you have and just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see it. Anybody that's coming to your channel for the first time, this is what they're going to see. Like now, maybe returning subscribers, like maybe the person that has subscribed already will still come back to your channel. So you click on this place. Once you click on it, you can add okay, pick any of your video that you want the person to see or anyhow you want it. And also like maybe playlist like section on your YouTube. Look at it, you can add section and put different name like this popular upload, live now, past live stream. You can just change it, just put like popular upload. You understand? It's going to like different section. When people come to your channel, these are the things they are going to see because they are very, very important. And okay, this is branding. Like now you can see there's nothing like branding here. So if you want to know, this is your picture, this is what your profile pictures are going to show. Is now you can edit it. What you just need to do is once it's edit, you put it here, you can do change, click on it. Once you click on it, you can upload it from your phone to this place. And banner image, this one is look at the certain length that is needed, not just anyhow pictures that is needed, no. And this video watermark is what you need to edit. You can see it here. These are all these things here. Okay, so that is for this session. Basic information like now you want to this is your channel. Like, okay, let me scroll so that you see it. Description. This is how you're going to edit it. You understand? Like now you want to change your channel name, you click on it and change it. So description, this is what people are going to see once they come to your channel. Once you click on it like this, like you type and put your name, welcome people. Once you are done, you are going to publish it. But let me show you down. Like now you can add link, that is your handle, your social handle that you want to be showing on the screen. You put it, once you put it like this, you can see the link on the banner. This first five link is what will be showing on your banner image. That banner image I showed you as branding, that is this place. Let me show you this place, because once people come to your channel, this is what they are going to be seeing, this and this other one. So they are going to be seeing your social handle where people they can also connect with you. So let me go back. I've not put anything yet. So this link now is like, okay, I want to put my Instagram. So you just put Instagram, this is Instagram. You put URL, that is www dot Instagram Instagram. I need to put Instagram slash, okay, .com. You will not put slash. You put your username. You want to put your use my username. So once I put it like this, now what I'll do is once I'm publishing it, I'll show you now. Now you can put your email. See where you can put your email here. You can put your email, put your email where people can be able to reach you. So so you put gmail.com. So now once you are done with this now, you can save it. Sometimes YouTube do allow you to reset your, you can see now can reset it. YouTube do allow you to reset your what's it called, your link, like maybe your username on YouTube, or sometimes it's not available. You can see now it's not available. So I wanted to change this thing. So once you are done with all these things, what you just do publish. But I have not even put branding. You understand? I didn't actually, you know, want to put branding in this lesson, but my next lesson I'm going to teach you how to put your picture, branding, your what's it called, your banner image. Because you'll be thinking, how will you edit it? How will you get it? How will you get the ideas? You understand? And also, if you are opening a new YouTube, you need to consider the name, because if you are using name that have been used by someone before, or on maybe on YouTube, it's not going to make sense, because anytime you are searching for that name, that person that have created that YouTube first with that name that is going to appear, yours might be maybe the last name. Do you understand? So always look for a very fancy name that once someone search for it, yours will come up first. So that is all for this lesson. So once we publish it like this, now can I go to your dashboard? But I have not actually even had what's it called? I haven't had um, my banner image for this channel. You understand? So what you just need to do is, my next video I'm going to teach you how to add it, how to edit it. But this one I just want to tell you how to create it, and now you know on some settings that you need to be done. So that is all for this lesson. In my next video, I'm going to teach you how to, you know, edit this your profile picture, where to edit it, and also how to add your banner image and how to put your video watermark. So once people come to your channel, very attractive. So that is all for this video. Just kindly stay tuned and see you in my next video. Thank you.